towel. Will it DTF? Let's find out. Hey, come here. I know this isn't gonna work, but people ask me all the time, and I'm kind of tired of answering it, so this is purely just to prove that this doesn't work. All right. Now, I don't expect this to work too well because most soft towels have these fibers that stick up. In carpet, it's called the pile. I'm not sure what it's called for towels. If you know, let us know in the comments below. I'm gonna try a couple different graphics. I've got this one here with like larger, big, bulky sections of ink. And I've got this one here that's got a little more fine designs. It's a little more sparse. I did also notice when I first pulled these towels out of the box is one side is a little smoother than the other. So to make sure I exhaust all my options, I'm gonna try both sides. These towels are 100% cotton. So I've got my heat press set to 310. Let's see how this works. While I start pressing, will you press that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any new expert DTF tips, tricks, and tutorials? We are doing this on the smoother side first. Okay, I just started peeling this and it's already failing miserably. So you can see right there that it's just, like I said, the pile of it just not gonna ever allow it to really hold on super tight. Now I think the thicker graphic might work better. I mean, that wasn't terrible, but it definitely didn't work great. Second press to see if it makes it any better. I mean, it will make it better, but that was definitely not in what I would consider a success. Definitely looks a little bit better. Let's do the other graphic. Big one here. I mean, this definitely was better, but yeah, you can see it kind of pulling up on those fibers. Like I said, those fibers are what was always my concern going into this. There's the first two. I'm gonna press on the other side, and this has the longer fibers, so I expect that this one's gonna work even more poorly. Let's do the little rub technique and give it the best chance for success. Best chance to succeed. Like I said, this side's not working so good. Trying to maybe cool it off a little bit. It is a hot peel, but maybe it's just not one to release. No. Oh, this looks horrible. So it's not, I think what's happening is it's not getting good enough contact with the garment. So yeah, that worked horribly. I mean, honestly, so far better than I expected, but it's also probably not gonna feel great either. We'll find out. Second press. And one last graphic. This one I expect to be the worst of all. Okay, that actually feels a little nicer. Interesting. But it still looks nasty there. So towel, will it DTF? I mean, it stuck, but no, this did not work very good. I mean, if we look closely, the side with the longer fibers, it just looks marred and nasty. I mean, this one pressed okay initially, but all the thicker spots, like you can see all this wavy pattern, even on the front side here. And even if you could get it to be like super soft, it's gonna be not durable at all because the minute you wash this or really do anything to manipulate it and these fibers start to come apart, it's just gonna start deteriorating. So, I mean, for a gag gift or something like that, you could do this for sure, but I would not use this to make like an actual usable towel. I don't love it. Well, I hope that scratched your itch for all of you that have wondered, can you DTF a towel? No, you cannot, or no, you shouldn't, or it's not practical. And on that shocking bombshell, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.